Once upon a time, in the vibrant village of Petalbrook, there was a shimmering secret known only to the village elders and the children with the keenest curiosity, the golden dog. Legend had it that this magical dog lived deep in the whispering woods and glowed like the first morning sun. One blustery autumn afternoon, a daring young girl named Lily decided she simply had to see this magnificent creature for herself. Lily was known for her adventurous spirit and her heart full of wonder. Her best friend, Max, a clever fox with the knack for solving riddles, agreed to join her. "Be careful," warned Elder Maple, the wisest of the village elders, as he handed Lily an ancient map. "Follow the path marked by golden leaves. The golden dog guards a secret gift for those who prove their bravery." Off they went, Lily and Max, venturing into the rustling woods. The trees whispered stories of bravery and hidden treasures as the duo followed the trail of golden leaves. The path was winding and the sun started to dip behind the trees, casting long shadows that danced around them. Suddenly, they heard a gentle bark that resonated through the forest like a melody of old. As they pushed through the thick brush, there, basked in a pool of twilight, stood the golden dog. Its fur glistened like spun gold, and its eyes twinkled like stars. The golden dog approached Lily and Max, wagging its tail in warm welcome. In a voice as smooth as a lullaby, it spoke, "Thank you for your courage and for believing in the magic of kindness. I have a gift for you, the Heartstone of Friendship." The Heartstone, a dazzling gem that glowed with the warmth of friendship, floated in the air before them. "This stone," explained the golden dog, "is a token of the bond you share, a symbol of trust, valor, and joy." Touched by the beauty of their adventure and the magic of their discovery, Lily and Max promised to treasure the Heartstone forever. They returned to Petalbrook, their hearts full of gratitude and their spirits forever brightened by the golden glow of their furry friend. And so, in Petalbrook, the story of the golden dog became a tale passed down through generations, reminding everyone that courage and friendship are the keys to unlocking life's most luminous mysteries.